I will show you guys today how to sell junk lot or junk jewelry lot on eBay. First, gonna have a scale. Second, we do polish, so we have idea. I would say more than 11 pounds. And then of course guys, we're gonna put that on that bin. And after that, we're gonna show them what's inside that chocolate, but either an auction or price them at $55 or whatever you want to price them, guys. But anyway, so far we have 11.84 pounds, and this is how we show them the junk jewelry, guys. And you're gonna describe it, that is gonna be the actual junk jewelry that they will receive. Chocolate and let's start the auction for 99 cents. It doesn't matter if the auction turned out good or not, because remember, nothing to lose, anything to gain, but make sure you charge them for shipping. So if the auction either goes successful or not, at least you guys don't feel bad. But for me, nothing to lose, as I said that, because I'm just gonna sell this junk. Bye for now.